Okay, this is Ginny with her puppy raiser. We're going to shoot some protection video of her real quick. We just got done running some protection video. So we're going to run some obedience video right now. Once again, her handler is a green handler. She's not used to doing this for us. Now you see how powerful this young dog is. Once again, 8.5 months old, physically and mentally extremely tough. The powerhouse of a giant Schnauzer, no two ways about it.
Oh, so strong! Yeah, good. Good. Okay, now we're going to go back up. Hey! Hey! Good.
Wow. Once again, the little girl's only 8.5 months old. She's a good sized giant Schnauzer female on her way to being a 70-75 pound dog. She's a really good size for a giant Schnauzer female. Once again, hardcore working lines. Father's an IPO 3. Control work's going to come very quickly. Okay, so that's Ginny, giant Schnauzer, 8.5 months old.